Alright, welcome everyone. Today we're going to be installing the rear bumper on this Tesla Model Y. For the rear bumper, we're going to start off from the middle and work our way to the edges. With that being said, let's go ahead and continue. Alright, once you have it on the actual vehicle, make sure to add slip solution behind it so the backing of the PPF can actually stick to it. Then after you have it already rolled out, you're going to go ahead and peel it and you're going to attach it to the car. Make sure you remove any water underneath, and then from there we're going to go ahead and start peeling. Alright, and once you lift it up and add slip solution to the back, make sure nothing is getting stuck. Once you have that done, we're going to go ahead and start from the middle and work our way out. So once you have the middle portion done, just make sure both sides are evenly distributed. Next up, we're going to move on towards the bottom side of the tail light, and we're going to make sure it's aligned properly. And from there, we're going to work towards the bottom. Alright, so for this side, we're going to go ahead and make sure that this part, it's up to the body line. Right here, you're going to have a little bit of excess, and that's so you could tuck in. Alright, so right now what I'm doing is holding on from this body line and stretching it this way towards me. That way everything is aligned. And we could start squeegeeing out once everything's in position. Make sure you're also holding on to the PPF as you're squeegeeing out, because you might accidentally move it with your squeegee. Alright, so right now we're just going to go ahead and move the water towards the bottom. That way we let the top sort of sit where it is, and we're going to peel back. We're going to add some Tack Solution also on top, and just remove that water. Alright, so once you're done with the top, you're going to go ahead and move all of the water below this body line. And once you do that, you're going to go ahead and lift it, or move it. If it's getting stuck, go ahead and lift it and add some slip solution. Don't lift it too much, because you might, the top part might accidentally just come off. Okay, so from here, we're going to go ahead and, as you can see, the PPF film wants to lift upwards like this. So what we're just gonna do is just drop it down low and then squeeze out. Alright, and then from here we're just gonna go ahead and try to remove these fingers by stretching towards the little corner right there. Right? And if you don't get it on the first try, go ahead and lift it and spray some more slip solution. So what we want to do is get this finger as small as possible so we could squeegee it out. And once we have this side down, we're going to go ahead and move towards the end of the bumper, and we're just going to align it to the actual body line of it. Okay, and just make sure you move it around, and if it gets stuck somewhere, go ahead and lift it and add some more slip solution. Okay. So then now we're just gonna stretch towards this way. Make sure you stretch the whole thing, not just one corner. Otherwise, that one corner is gonna get stretched out, and the rest is just gonna stay in place. All right, and once you have this side down, we're gonna go ahead and go to the other side and do the same thing. All right, so we're on the other side. Just remember, we're gonna do the same thing here. We're gonna go ahead and align this top portion, move our way down, and then just stretch our way out towards the end. All right, and we're almost done. All that's left is just tucking in all this excess inside with, and we're gonna do that by adding some Tack Solution to our towel and add some Tack Solution to the back of the film. All right, and once you add your Tack Solution to the back and to the towel, you're gonna go ahead and with your heat gun, you're gonna heat up the inside of the film as you're actually dragging your fingers onto the film. All right, so next step is we're gonna show you how to cut out those sensors. Instead of extending the blade as much as possible, you're gonna barely extend it to as much as this, barely showing. So very quickly, it's just gonna be tracing the circle, and you're just gonna add medium to light pressure. You'll know when you actually went past the bumper, past the PPF. It's gonna feel like so much resistance, but as you're cutting the PPF, it's gonna feel like you're cutting on glass. It's gonna feel pretty smooth. Then once you've got the cutoff done, just go ahead and with your finger try to get that line you made and try to peel it off. All right, and that concludes the installation process for the rear bumper. Just remember to take your time and cut out the sensors. Just as a quick recap, remember we're starting off from the center and we're gonna work our way out. Once you reach towards the end, just remember it's gonna take some stretching to do. And if you have any questions, just comment below. Thank you for watching.